Assalamu alaikum, guys. Today I am going to share with you a project of mine, which is basically a Unity project, and I have made a car game. Okay, so let's see how does it work. By the way, I will also share the code of this file in the form of Google Docs file in the description below on YouTube. Okay, now let's see how does it work. Sorry if video is hanging because it is a very heavy software and the screen recording software cannot capture it well. This is the break. Okay, I have actually added two point lights at the back and connected them with the space bar so that when I press the space bar they blinks. And we have to save ourselves from these enemy cars, okay, or opponent cars. Let me show you something else. Oh, now I have programmed the opponent cars in such a way that when they reach the finish line, they get destroyed, okay? Like it, and we have to prevent ourselves from being collided into these opponent cars. Like it, like I'm going to fly into it. The level starts over, okay? Oh, by the way, I have also added a back camera like this. Okay, now let me show you another level of this game. Actually, this game has two levels, but they are not connected with each other. So even when I reach the finish line, the next level doesn't begin on its own. Now, this is actually the second level, okay? Which I want to show you people. Let's see how does it work. Sorry if the game is lagging. Actually, here I have made curved roads instead of straight like in the previous level. Okay, so we have to steer our car. Brake, 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 brake. Now you can see that the roads in this game are curved instead of straight like in the previous level. So I haven't added any opponent car, and because we cannot, there is no any way uh, to guide them the path without an artificial intelligence system. So I am working on making an AI system. Okay, please ignore it. Its physics are not maintained well. I have also added a reverse cam in it, so you can see at the back as well. Okay, so inshallah, I will see you with another project of mine in the next video. Till that, take care. Allah Hafiz.